This video tutorial I will explain default constraint in SQL. Default constraint is used to provide default value for a column. If no value is specified, then default value will be applied to the particular column. We will see the example now. Now I am going to create a table which is employee table. It has employee ID, employee name, age, salary and created date columns. In age column, I have applied default constraint. If age column value is not provided, default value will be 1. I am creating this table. Here you can see the default constraint is applied to the age column and the default value is 1. Now I am going to insert one record in employee table. Employee ID value is 1 and employee name value is ROM, and I have not provided any value for age column. We will see what happens. And here you can see one record is inserted and age column value is 1. Default value is applied. Next we will see how to remove the default constraint of age column. Using this query we can do that. Alter table employee, alter column age, drop default. Here you can see the default constraint is removed for age column. Next we will see how to add a default constraint for age column. Using this query we can do that. Alter table employee, alter age, set default as 1. And here you can see for age column default constraint is added and default value is 1. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.